Hello guys, my name is Bobbie Bernaldez and I'm going to teach you on how to delete your Facebook account. Coming up. On your right hand corner you will see account, then press settings and privacy, then settings, then your Facebook information, and then deactivation and deletion. Here you're going to choose either deactivate your account or permanent delete your account. So your deactivate is you can still use it, but if you're going to delete your account, you're going to permanently delete, as in hindi mo na talaga siya magagamit. So in our topic, we're going to delete. So we're going to press permanent delete account. Then continue to account deletion.
Facebook will again ask you if you would rather just deactivate your account. They also provide an article where you can learn more about the details of deleting your account. It is important to read this over before making your final decision. You also have the option here to download your info, which will include posts and photos before you delete your account. Once you have downloaded your info, you can continue by clicking Delete Account.
Then he's going to ask for your password and then continue. So, basa-basa lang kayo guys, ha? Alright? After reading this, you're going to click Delete Account. Now, for Android. Android users, you're going to click these three dots and then settings and privacy, settings, then you're going to look for account ownership and control. Now same with the laptop, you're going to choose one of them, either deactivate or delete. So in our case, we're going to choose delete account and continue. Alright, so we're done guys. Yay! The last part, Facebook will remind if you're going to have a 30-day window if you're going to change your mind. Now you know how to do. Now thank you so much guys for watching. This is Bobbie Bernaldez saying you have to learn from it, work from it, and grow from it. So see you on the next video.